Hello students, I hope you will fine today, and let us start our chapter 14. It is statistics. In statistics we read mean, mode and median. And octave for the cumulative frequency. So mean we discussed in exercise 14.1, mode is discussed in 14.2, median is discussed in 14.3, and octave we will discuss in 14.4. It is a easy chapter and you can do it easily. So let us start our exercise 14.1, which is depend on mean. It depends on, we find out in this exercise, mean. So what is the formula for mean and what is mean? Mean क्या होता है? Mean means observation, the sum of values divided by number of observation. The number of observation is called, as you read in your 9th class, mean is equal to sum of values of observation by number of observation. But in 14.1 in class 10 we discussed is for the continuous frequency. The formula for mean is mean equal to, we donate it x bar sigma fi xi by sigma fi. Sigma for sum is sum of frequencies by sum of frequency multiplied by the class mark. What is class mark? Class mark is upper limit plus lower limit of a class by 2. This is formula for class mark. Let us start our exercise 14.1 from first question. What is first question? So let us see in the book. A survey was conducted by a group of students as a part of their environment awareness program, in which they collected the following data regarding the number of plants in 20 houses in a locality. Find the mean number of plants per house. मीन्स यहाँ पर जो टोटल हाउसेज हैं 20 हाउसेज हैं जिनका आपने मीन नंबर ऑफ प्लांट्स निकालना है. व्हाट इज गिवन? देयर आर 2 कॉलम्स आर गिवन फॉर नंबर ऑफ प्लांट्स एंड नंबर ऑफ हाउसेज. सो राइट इट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, नंबर ऑफ प्लांट्स इन फर्स्ट कॉलम, number of houses in second column, and there are 2 more column. This is for class mark called xi, and here number of houses is called fi. So it is multiplication of xi and fi. So what is number of plants? 0 to 2, 2 to 4, which is given in your textbook, 6 to 8, 8 to 10, 10 to 12, and 12 to 14. Number of houses 1, 2, 1, 5, 6, 2, 3. So let us time to find out the class mark. The formula for class mark is class mark equal to upper limit plus lower limit by 2. What is upper limit and lower limit? Here, see here, it is lower limit plus it is upper limit. So class mark, how we find out? 0 plus 2 by 2. It is 2 by 2 means 1. 2 and 4. 2 plus 4 by 2. It means 4 to 6 by 2. 3. 4 plus 6 by 2. It is 10 by 2. 5. 6 plus 8. 6 plus 8 by 2. It is 7. 18 by 2. 8 plus 10 by 2. It is 18 by 2. 9. 10 plus 12 by 2. It is 11. Or 12 plus 14 by 2. 26 by 2 is equal to 13. So, in this way, we find out our class mark. So, the next column is xi multiplied by fi. Yani 1 is multiplied by 1. Answer is 1. 3 multiplied by 2. It's 6. 5 multiplied by 1. 5. 7 multiplied by 5. 35. 9 multiplied by 6. 15. 11 multiplied by 2. 22. 3 multiplied by 13. It is 39. So, let us find out the sum of these two columns. It is called sigma fi, means sum of frequency, that is 20. And the sum of sigma fi and xi is equal to, कितना रहेगा आपका सम? It's 162. 6 और 1 7 और 5 12. 12 और 10 22. 22 और 2 24. 24 और 9. Sorry, it is 54. So sum is 162. Let us put in the formula. What is the formula for mean? It is sigma fi xi by sigma fi. So 162 by 20 cancelled by divided by 2. 2 8 ja 2 8 1. It is 81 by 10. It means answer is 8.1. What will be the answer? Mean number of plants per house. Mean number of plants per house is 8.1. That is your answer. So, again revise this question. Number of plants and number of houses are given in your textbook. Number of plants 0 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 6, 6 to 8, 8 to 10, 10 to 12 and 12 to 14. And number of houses we give it name fi. So number of houses is 1, 2, 1, 5, 6, 2, 3. ये आपके बुक्स में दिए गए हैं. क्लास मार्क. व्हाट इज द क्लास मार्क? क्लास मार्क इक्वल टू अपर लिमिट प्लस लोअर लिमिट बाय 2. यानी जब आप नंबर ऑफ प्लांट्स के बड़े और छोटे दोनों अक्षरों को जोड़कर 2 से डिवाइड करते हैं तो आपका क्या आता है? क्लास मार्क. 0 प्लस 2 बाय 2 इट इज 1. 2 प्लस 4. 2 प्लस 4 बाय 2 यानी 6 बाय 2 इट इज 3. 4 प्लस 6. 4 प्लस 6 बाय 2 इट इज 10 by 2 means 5. It is 5. 6 plus 8. 14 by 2. 7. I hope you will find the class mark. And next step is xi. Xi means class mark multiplied by the frequency. It is 1 multiply 1, 1. 2 multiply 3, 6. 1 multiply 5, it is 5. 5 7 ja 35. 6 9 ja 54. 2 multiply 11, 22. 3 multiply 13, 39. So, sigma fi equal to 20 and sigma fi xi is equal to 162. Put in the formula of mean. Mean equal to sigma fi xi by sigma fi. So what is the value of sigma fi xi? Sigma means sum of fi and xi, it is 162 and sum of frequency is 20. So divide it. The answer will be 8.1. I hope you will understand this question. So we'll discuss next question, question number 2. The statement given in the book is, consider the following distribution daily wages of 50 worker. 50 वर्कर की डेली वेजेस आपको दी गई है. डेली वेजेस 100 to 120, 120 to 140, 140 to 160, 160 to 180 and 180 to 200. So number of worker is 12, 14, 8, 6 and 10. Put in a vertical form daily wages. And second column is number of workers. We need 2 more column. 1 for class mark xi and 1 for xi multiply fi. This is fi. So 100 to 120, 120 to 140, 140 to 160, 160 to 180 and 180 to 200. So number of worker are given in the book is 12, 14, 8, 6 and 10. Let us find out class mark. Class mark is lower limit plus upper limit of class by 2. So what is the class mark? For first part it is 100 plus 120 by 2. So 220 by 2 it is 110. What is the class mark? 110. 120 plus 140 by 2. 120 plus 140 by 2 it is 260 by 2. It means it is 130. 140 plus 160 ये आपका आएगा 200. 300 by 2 150. It is 340 by 2. 340 by 2. 170. 170. 180. 380 by 2. It is 190. So let us multiply these terms. It is, when 120 is multiplied by 12, it is 1320. 130 is multiplied by 14, it is 1820. 15 8 ja 120. 0 16 7 ja 102. 0 0 9. So let us find the sum of frequency and sum of xi fi का sum. Sigma fi is 50 and what is xi fi? It is 2 4 6 11 to 13 or 13 to 15 0 2 4 6 3 8 11 11 to 13 13 or 9 22 22 3 4 5 6 7 7 2 6 0. So what is the value of mean? It is sigma fi xi by sigma fi. So it is 7260 by 50. It is equal to 0 cancelled by 0. So 7260 is divided by 5. 5 1 ja 5. 2 5 4 ja 20. 2 5 5 ja 25. 1. There is no value, so point to be put here. What is 5 to the 10? So answer will be 14.52 is the answer. Yani mean of this question is 14.2. Let us revise this question. Daily wages and number of worker are given in the book and put in a column form. So daily wages number of worker, we find out class mark. What is class mark? Sum of upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. 100 plus 120, 220 divided by 2, it is 110. 120 plus 140 divided by 2, it is 130. 140 plus 160 divided by 2, it is 130. 140 plus 160 divided by 2, it is 150. 160 plus 180 divided by 2, it is 170. 180 plus 200 divided by 2, it is 190. The next step is 110 multiplied by 12, 1320. 130 multiplied by 14, it is 1820. 150 multiplied by 8, 1200. 170 multiplied by 6, it is 1020. 1020, it is 1900. So solve sum and put in the formula. We find out our answer. Let us discuss our third question, which is different from all. And what is the question? The following distribution shows the daily pocket allowance of children of a locality. The mean pocket allowance is, यहाँ पे आपको क्वेश्चन में गिवन है what is the mean of this question. It is 18. So what is to be find out? The missing frequency f, यानी जो वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी है आपको वो f की करनी है, which is missing, and the mean of the question is given. Let us start the question in the same way as we discussed the later question. Daily wages, daily pocket allowance. It is number of children. Next line 4, class mark xi, and next line 4, xi multiplied by fi. What is fi? Number of children. Frequency is called fi. So daily allowance is 11 to 13, 13 to 15, 15 to 17, 17 to 19, 19 to 21, 21 to 23, 23 to 25, and number of children are given 7, 6, 9, 13, F, 5, 4. What is xi? Xi is the upper limit plus lower limit, the class by 2, means 11 plus 13 by 2, it is 24 by 2, means 12. So class mark for this class is 12. Next is 13 plus 15. 13 plus 15 by 2, it is 28 by 2, it is 14. I hope you will understand and find out the class mark on the basis of the formula 16, 18, 20, 22 and 24. So after this we multiply xi with fi. 12 7 ja 84, 4 6 ja 84, 16 9 ja 144, 13 multiplied by 18, it is 234. When 20 is multiplied by f, it is 20f. 22 multiplied by 5, it is 110. 24 multiplied by 4, 24 4 ja 96. So sigma fi is, what is sigma fi? It is f को सेपरेट रखते हुए हम बाकी को ऐड करेंगे और जो सम बाकी का वो होगा 44 और f को एज इट इज लिखेंगे 44 प्लस f. हेयर वी पुट द सम ऑफ xi एंड fi. इसको हम सेपरेट रखते हुए बाकी का सम करेंगे और इसको रखेंगे सेपरेट 20f. सो व्हाट इज द सम ऑफ remaining term, that is 752. I hope you will understand this question. So put in the formula of mean. Mean equal to sigma fi xi by sigma fi. In this question, mean is given in the question, that is 18. So put the value of mean and sigma fi xi is 752 plus 20f by 44 plus f. It is by 1. So cross multiply. So 44 multiplied by 18. It is 792 plus 18f equal to 752 plus 20f. No, constant term on one side and the term which having f on the separate side. Minus 18f. f ने बराबर खुदा इसका साइन चेंज हो जाएगा. 752 इधर आएगा. It has minus sign. Plus change into minus. It is 40 and it is 2f. So f is 40 by 2. It is 20. I hope you will understand the question. So answer of this question is 20. The value of f is 20. Let us revise. Daily pocket allowance and number of children are given in the question. We find out the class mark as we discussed in the questions. After this, we find out xi multiply fi. When 20 is multiplied by f, it is 20f. After this, we find sigma fi, sum of frequencies column, that is 44 plus f, and the sum of xi and fi is 20f को हम सेपरेट रखेंगे और बाकी का हम सम करेंगे तो ये क्या आएगा 752 प्लस 20f. गिवन क्वेश्चन में मीन आपको गिवन है. मीन क्या है 18. सो पुट द फॉर्मूला, द वैल्यूज पुट इन द फॉर्मूला. मीन इक्वल टू सिग्मा fi xi बाय सिग्मा fi. मीन 18 सिग्मा fi xi बाई सिग्मा fi. सिग्मा fi xi की वैल्यू क्या है 752 प्लस 20f बाई सिग्मा fi. इट इज 44 प्लस f. सो क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई इट एंड इट इज 792 माइनस 752. 18f इधर चला गया, उसका साइन चेंज हुआ तो ये बचा आपका इधर से 40, इधर 2f. सो व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ f? इट इज f इक्वल टू 20. आई होप यू विल अंडरस्टैंड.